Hi students, welcome to the next session. In yesterday already we discussed integration using trigonometric identities and formulas also we discussed. Now we will start problems, example problems. First one, evaluate integral cos square x dx. Already yesterday I gave the formula list in trigonometry. Cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Now it can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx. So here by 2 is a constant, you write outside. Integral, first one is 1 dx, second function is cos 2x dx. That equals to 1 by 2 into 1 integration x cos integration sin by inner function derivative 2x derivative by 2 plus c. It is answer. Next, evaluate integral sin 2x into cos 3x dx. Okay. For this, divide with 2, multiply with 2. First you write the greatest angle, that is nothing but cos 3x sin 2x dx. Yesterday we discussed on formula 2 cos a sin b is equal to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. A means 3x, b means 2x. Then 1 by 2 into integral sin a plus b 3x plus 2x 5x minus 3x minus 2x x dx. Integrate separately, half into integral sin 5x dx minus integral sin x dx. That equals to half into sin integration minus cos 5x by 5x derivative 5. ಇನ್ನರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನೀವು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ sin cube x dx. So already in formula list I gave the formula. Sin cube x, already sin 3 theta formula I can write. 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. Okay, you apply this formula, that is nothing but 1 by 4, right outside, integration of 3 sin x minus sin 3x dx. Now 1 by 4 into 3 constant you write outside, sin x dx minus sin 3x dx. That equals to 1 by 4 into sin integration minus cos. Sin integration minus cos, already minus is there, plus by inner function 3x derivative 3 plus c. Next, exercise 7.3. Third exercise, First question, evaluate integral sin square 2x plus 5 dx. Okay, first I can take 2x plus 5 equals to t. Substitution method use ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Differentiate with respect to x. 2x derivative 2, constant derivative 0, dx is equal to dt. Dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Substitute this in the given question. I equals to 1 by 2 constant sin square t dt. So already we have formula. Yesterday I gave sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Then 1 by 2 into integral 1 minus cos 2t by 2 dt. So 2 and 2 it becomes 4. 1 by 4 into integration of first 1 dt minus cos 2t dt. Then 1 by 4 into 1 integration, don't write x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ dx ಇದಂದರೆ x ಬರೀಬೇಕು, dt ಇದಂದರೆ t ಬರೀಬೇಕು. cos integration sin 2t by 2t derivative 2. Substitute t. T is nothing but 2x plus 5 minus 2 into 2x plus 5 4x plus 10 by 2 plus c. Next, second question, I am giving homework. Already this model question I explained in examples. Evaluate integral sin 3x cos 4x dx. Already same model I explained. Divide with 2, multiply with 2. Okay. Third question, evaluate integral cos 2x cos 4x cos 6x dx. For this, divide with 2, multiply with 2. You take highest and least. The remaining is cos 4x. 2 cos A cos B. It is formula for cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay, A means 6x, B means 2x. Then 1 by 2 into integral cos 6x plus 2x 8x 6x minus 2x 4x into cos 4x. You multiply with cos 4x. Now 1 by 2 into integral cos 8x cos 4x dx plus integral cos into cos cos square 4x dx. Here also multiply with 2, divide with 2. So you can write divide with 2 means 4 I can write. 2 cos 8x cos 4x dx plus 2 cos square 4x dx. Already we discussed 2 cos A cos B means cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Then 1 by 4 integral cos 8x plus 4x 12x cos 8x minus 4x 4x dx. It is in the form of 2 cos square theta. So already cos square theta formula is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Now 2 cos square theta formula is integral of 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 into 4x, 8x. Now integrate 1 by 4 into cos integration sin 12x by inner function 12x derivative 12, cos 4x integration sin 4x by inner function 4x derivative 4 plus 1 integration x, again cos 8x integration sin 8x by inner function 8x derivative 8 plus c. Okay. Next, fourth one, evaluate integral sin cube 2x plus 1 dx. Already sin square model I explained. Sin cube also 2x plus 1 is equal to t. Then sin cube x formula you can apply. Okay. Now fifth one. Evaluate integral sin cube x cos cube x dx. So homework question, you try that. If you have any doubt, send the answer to my WhatsApp number. I will give the reply whether it is right or wrong. See this one. Divide with 8, multiply with 8. Now 1 by 8 into, this can be written as 2 sin x cos x whole cube dx. 2 sin x cos x is formula for sin 2x. So this is sin cube 2x. Let 2x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. 2 dx is equal to dt. Dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Already here 1 by 8 is there. Again 1 by 2. Now it becomes 1 by 16. I am doing here. That is nothing but 1 by 16 integral sin cube t dt. We know formula for sin cube x. Sin cube x formula 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. Now here 16 4 just 64. 3 constant, integrate sin t, integrate sin 3t. One by 64 into sin integration minus cos. Sin integration minus cos, already minus is there, plus cos 3t. By inner function 3t derivative is 3. So finally substitute t. T is how much? 2x. Substitute. 1 by 64 minus 3 cos 2x plus cos of 3 into 2x 6x by 3 plus c. This is the answer. Next. Sixth one. Evaluate sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x dx. So for this, divide with minus 2, multiply with minus 2. You take highest angle, least angle, and the remaining is sin 2x. It is in the form of minus 2 sin A sin B, minus 2 sin A sin B can be written as cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Okay, now simplify. Minus 1 by 2 into integral cos A plus B 3x plus x cos A minus B 3x minus x 2x into sin 2x dx. Again you multiply with sin 2x. Minus 1 by 2 into integral cos 4x sin 2x dx minus cos 2x sin 2x dx. Again divide with 2, multiply with 2. Now minus 1 by 4 into 2 cos 4x sin 2x minus 2 sin 2x cos 2x. It is in the form of 2 cos A sin B, sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. That's why I am not writing formula. Sin A plus B 4x plus 2x 6x minus sin A minus B 4x minus 2x 2x. Now it is in the form of 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta sin 2 into 2x, that is nothing but sin 4x. Now integrate separately. Minus 1 by 4 into sin integration minus cos by 6x derivative 6. Sin integration minus, already minus is there, plus by 2x derivative is 2. Sin integration minus cos, already minus is there, plus by 4x derivative is 4 plus c. It is answer. Next, 7th question, homework. Integral sin 4x sin 8x dx. So divide with 2, minus 2, multiply with minus 2. Okay. Now 8th question. Evaluate integral 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. This question we can done in two methods. Directly apply formula 1 minus cos theta 2 sin square theta by 2, 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2. Sin square by cos square tan square. But we don't have direct formula for tan square integration. That's why tan square theta can be written as secant square theta minus 1. Okay. Now integrate separately. Secant square integration tan x by 2 by x by 2 derivative 1 by 2 minus 1 derivative x plus c. So 1 integration x. Now 1 by 2 go to numerator 2. So answer 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. Next, 9th question. Evaluate integral cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. Okay. Now for this, rationalize the denominator. Here plus is there, if you take minus, multiply and divide. Cos x by 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x by 1 minus cos x. Now cos x into 1 minus cos x by here 1 minus cos square is nothing but sin square x dx. Now it can be written as cos x minus cos square x by sin square x dx. Divide separately. Cos by sin square. This can be written as 1 by sin into cos by sin. Minus cos square by sin square, cot square. But we don't have direct formula for cot square. Now this can be written as 1 by sin is nothing but cosecant. Cos by sin is nothing but cot minus. So cosecant square x. So here cosecant square cot square x can be written as cosecant square x minus 1. Now integrate separately, all are direct formulas. Integration of cosecant x cot x minus cosecant x. Integration of cosecant square x minus cot x, already minus is there, plus cot x. Minus of minus plus 1 integration x plus c. Next, 10th, integral sin power 4x dx. It can be written as sin square x whole square dx. Sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square dx. Okay. If you expand in the form of a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab by 4 dx. 4 I will write outside, it is a constant. 1 by 4 integral 1 plus cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. 2 into 2x 4x by 2 minus 2 cos 2x dx. I will take LCM. 2 is LCM, already 4 is there, 8 times multiply. 2 1 just 2, 2 plus 1 3 plus cos 4x minus 2 2 just 4 cos 2x dx. Now integrate separately. 1 by 8 into 3 integration 3x cos integration sin by 4x derivative 4 minus 4 into cos integration sin by 2x derivative 2 plus 2 1 just 2 2 just gets cancelled. Next, 11th, I am giving homework, you try this. Integral cos power 4 2x dx. First you take 2x is equal to t. Now cos power 4t will get same cos square x whole square 1 plus cos 2x by 2 whole square, same method. Okay. Next, 12th question. Integral sin square x by 1 plus cos x dx. Simple question. Numerator sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta by 1 plus cos x dx. Numerator is in the form of a square minus b square. It can be written as a plus b into a minus b by 1 plus cos x dx. Now 1 plus cos x gets cancelled. Now integration of 1 minus cos x dx. Integrate separately. Integration of 1 dx minus integration of cos x dx. 1 integration x cos integration sin x plus c. Next, 13th question. Integral cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha by cos x minus cos alpha dx. See, this numerator and denominator both are in the form of cos c minus cos d. Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Denominator also minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. If you take 2 common, 2 gets cancelled and minus 2 gets cancelled. Sin x plus alpha into sin x minus alpha. Denominator write as it is, sin x plus alpha by 2 sin x minus alpha by 2 dx. Again sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Here also 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. By denominator sin x plus alpha by 2 sin x minus alpha by 2 dx. Sin x plus alpha by 2 sin x plus alpha by 2 cancel. Sin x minus alpha by 2 sin x minus alpha by 2 cancel. 1 2 I will write outside. One more 2 is there. 2 cos x plus alpha by 2 cos x minus alpha by 2. It is in the form of 2 cos a cos b, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So it can be written as cos x plus cos alpha dx. Integrate separately. 2 into integral cos x dx plus cos alpha dx. Cos x integration sin x. Don't write cos alpha integration sin alpha. It is not a function, it is a constant. Because here variable is x. So the function also in terms of x. But this function is in terms of alpha. So it can be considered as constant. Constant you will write outside. 2 into integral cos x dx plus cos alpha outside 1 dx. That equals 2 into cos x integration sin x plus cos alpha into 1 integration x plus c. Next, fourteenth question. Integral cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin 2x dx. Okay. Now it can be written as integral cos x minus sin x by, this 1 can be written as cos square x plus sin square x or sin square x plus cos square x plus sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x. That is nothing but cos x minus sin x. By denominator is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab a plus b whole square. Let sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Sin derivative cos, cos derivative minus n dx is equal to dt. Substitute this condition in this question. Therefore, I equals to integral 1 by t square dt. Now, it can be written as t power minus 2 dt. It is in the form of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. T power minus 1 by minus 1. Then I equals to minus 1 by t plus c. Finally, substitute t value minus 1 by t is nothing but sin x plus cos x plus c. Next question, 15th. Integral tan cube 2x into secant 2x dx. It can be written as integral tan square 2x into tan 2x secant 2x dx. Okay, again tan square 2x can be written as secant square 2x minus 1 into secant 2x tan 2x dx. Let secant 2x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of secant x into tan x. Again inner function derivative 2. Secant 2x tan 2x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Substitute this one in this question. Then I equals to 1 by 2 constant our right side. This is t square minus 1. In place of this we can write 1 by 2 dt. Integral I equals to t square integration t cube by 3 minus 1 integration t plus c. Finally, substitute t value. Then I equals to 1 by 2 into t value is secant 2x. Secant 2x whole cube by 3 minus secant 2x plus c is the answer. Next, 16th question. Integral tan power 4x dx. So, it can be written as tan square x into tan square x dx. Okay. Now, if you take tan x is equal to t, differentiate secant square will get. So, now it can be written as secant square x minus 1 dx. Multiply integral tan square x into secant square x dx minus integral tan square x. Okay. Now, integral tan square x secant square x dx minus, we do not have direct formula for tan square x, it can be written as secant square x minus 1. For this I can take tan x is equal to t, not for this part. Differentiate with respect to x. Tan derivative secant square x dx is equal to dt. Now this can be changed to integral t square dt minus integral secant square x minus 1 dx. T square integration t cube by 3 secant square x integration tan x minus half minus plus 1 integration x plus c. Finally substitute t value. T value is nothing but tan x. Now I will get tan cube x by 3 minus tan x plus x plus c is the answer. Next, 17th question. Integral sin cube x plus cos cube x by sin square x into cos square x dx. Okay. If you divide separately, sin cube x by sin square x cos square x dx plus cos cube x by sin square x cos square x dx. So here sin 2 times, here sin 3 times, let's cancel, 1 time is remaining. Cos here 2 times, cos here 3 times, let's cancel, 1 time is remaining. Then write down the remaining integral sin x by cos square x plus integral cos x by sin square x. It can be written as 1 by cos x into sin by cos x. It can be written as 1 by sin x into cos by sin x. One by cos is nothing but secant x, sin by cos is nothing but tan x. 1 by sin is nothing but cosecant, cos by sin is nothing but cot. So these are the direct formulas in formula list. Integration of secant x into tan x is nothing but secant x. Integration of cosecant x into cot x is nothing but minus cosecant x plus c. Next, 18th question. Integral cos 2x plus 2 sin square x by cos square x dx. Okay. Now this can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin square x by cos square x dx. 2 sin square gets cancelled, 1 by cos square x, that is nothing but secant square x dx. So answer tan x plus c. Next, 19th. Evaluate integral 1 by sin x into cos cube x dx. This numerator can be written as, or you can write 1 by sin cos square you can write. If you write cos square, secant square by sin by cos into cos square. Okay, you can do it like this. One by sin x, this cos cube x can be written as cos x into cos square x. If cos square x go to numerator, it becomes secant square x. Now denominator, sin x, divide with cos x, multiply with cos. Already cos is there. Cos square you can get. Now, if you send this value also numerator, secant square x. So secant square x into secant square x, secant square x whole square. By sin by cos, or you can write like this, dx. Sin by cos tan. Now here one secant square I can write, secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. This secant square as it is I am taking by tan x dx. Now tan x is equal to t. If you differentiate with respect to x, tan derivative secant square dx is equal to dt. Now it can be written as 1 plus t square by t dt. If you divide 1 by t square by t is nothing but t. The power is not there, you can take power is 1. Integration of 1 by x, log mod x. Integration of t power 1, it is x power n formula. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Finally, substitute t value how much? Tan x, substitute here. Log mod tan x plus tan square x by 2 plus c. It is answer. Next, question number 20. In question number 20, integral cos 2x by cos x plus sin x whole square dx. So expand denominator in the form of a plus b whole square, then you will get cos 2x is equal to cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 cos x sin x, a square plus b square plus 2ab. That equals to cos 2x by sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 2 sin x cos x is nothing but sin 2x. Now you take denominator equals to t. Let 1 plus sin 2x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 derivative 0. Sin derivative cos 2x, again 2x derivative into 2. Dx is equal to dt. Now cos 2x dx is equal to, if 2 come to this side, becomes 1 by 2. Substitute this in this given expression. I equals to 1 by 2 is a constant, I write outside, then 1 by t dt. 1 by t is nothing but log mod t. Finally substitute t value. T value is nothing but 1 plus sin 2x. 1 plus sin 2x plus c is answer. Okay. Next question. Integral sin inverse of cos x dx. Okay. Now sin inverse of cos theta can be written as sin 90 minus theta. Cancel. Now integral pi by 2 minus x dx. Pi by 2 dx, x dx, pi by 2 constant, right outside, 1 dx minus x power 1 dx. Then pi by 2 into 1 integration x, this is x power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So whenever this inverse are given, you make the inner function also in the same, then only these two gets cancelled. Next, 22. Evaluate 1 by cos x minus a cos x minus b dx. For this you multiply and divide with cos b minus a. You multiply and divide with sin a minus b. By denominator cos x minus a cos x minus b dx. Now this numerator sin a minus b can be written as sin of, this a minus b can be written as x minus b minus x minus a. If you simplify, x gets cancelled, minus of minus a plus a minus b will get. By denominator cos x minus a cos x minus b dx. Now it is in the form of sin of a minus b. 1 by sin a minus b into integral sin of a minus b formula sin a cos b minus cos a sin b by cos x minus a cos x minus b dx. If you divide separately this by this, cos x minus a cancel. Now sin by cos, directly I am writing tan. 1 by sin a minus b into tan x minus b dx. If you divide this by this, now cos x minus b cancel, again sin by cos tan x minus a. Okay, integrate. Now integration of tan x log mod secant x. Log mod secant x minus integration of tan x log mod secant x. So it is in the form of log a minus log b. It can be written as log of a by b. Now that equals to 1 by sin a minus b into log of mod secant of x minus b by secant of x minus a plus a. If you want similar, you can simplify, not required. Next, 23. Evaluate integral sin square x minus cos square x by sin square x into cos square x. Divide separately. If you divide this by this, sin square cancel, 1 by cos square. If you divide this by this, cos square cancel, 1 by sin square. 1 by cos square is nothing but secant square. 1 by sin square is nothing but cosecant square. Both are the direct formulas. Integration of secant square x tan x, integration of cosecant square x minus cot x, already minus is there, plus cot x plus c. Okay, last question in this exercise. It is important. Integral e power x into 1 plus x by cos square e power x into x x. See here I am taking e power x into x is equal to t. Differentiate. Here two functions are there. In first PUC we discussed the UV formula. First function into derivative of second function. plus second function into derivative of first function e power x derivative e power x dx is equal to dt. I can take e power x common, 1 plus x dx is equal to dt. So this term is present in the question. Now the question is changed to integral 1 by cos square, this is t. In place of this total value you can take dt. Then 1 by cos square is nothing but secant square t dt. So integration of secant square x is tan t. Finally substitute t value e power x into x. Then I equals to tan of e power x into x plus c. So students, this exercise also finish it. Once again you practice what are the formulas I gave, because from the next session onwards another formulas also will be added. That's why before that you practice all the formulas of integration and as well as differentiation.